What's up, everybody? Welcome to the goddamn show. This right here is going to be a simple, quick tutorial on understanding and drawing channels, or regression channels is what they're called. They're actually named after Gilbert Raff, so Raff Regression Channels. It's basically a trend. You can use it in any market, a downtrending market such as this, you know, and then an uptrending market such as this. So basically, what you're going to get into when you're drawing this channel, it does it all for you on ThinkorSwim. Okay, you're going to go into drawing tools. You're going to select. A lot of people do the channels. I happen to like the regression channels, just for micromanaging, buying and selling. So I would select regression channels. Here we have Apple. For no particular reason, Apple on a downtrending market. No particular reason, and I'm sorry, in me showing this stock. Just for example, right around here, it broke its downtrend. So this is a good spot for me to start my channel. I don't have to click anywhere specific. I can click up here. It's going to drop the first bar, and I can start extending to the right, and it's going to end where it ends. Now, obviously, for future reference, I'm going to want to extend it to the right, just so I can make sure it stays inside my channel. Now, I want to be very clear before I forget. This mode, this is a standard deviation mode, and that's what I like to use. A lot of people like to use the Raff channels to tighten it up a little bit, and you can get more of a clear balance. But for long-term stuff, man, and this is what I like using it for, I really just stick to the standard deviation and leave it alone. So in your channel, this is basically what you're looking at. You're basically looking at a support and your resistance, and this is your mean, your average trading price in this channel since where I started it. So basically, you're not alarmed and you're not worried, if you don't get any type of closing below this support right here below your channel, right? So when I'm using this, obviously, I would like to, if I want to buy more, if I want to invest more into this particular stock, I would obviously wait until it is in the lower portions of the channel. Okay, right around here. Anything below the average, I mean, it's fine. If you're long on the stock, it doesn't really matter exactly where you purchase, but obviously you want it to be on a little bit of a cheaper side than above the average price. Now let's look at a different example, real quick. The opposite, Microsoft. Microsoft, beginning of this year, broke out of its kind of sideways market, and it's been uptrending since then. They had great earnings and they had a gap up. So let me zoom in right here. Here's your average again. Very simple. You can buy below, sell above if you were not, wanting to sell some shares above the average price. But here we have a huge gap up. This is a huge. If I was, shorting this, I would short this stock right here on this gap and wait for it to come back down to the average, the average price right here. So like I said, regression channel is very simple. I use them on a lot of different long stocks. I don't really use them for intraday trading, swing trading, things like that as much. I like to keep it on the weekly or the daily candles, and I leave them alone, man. And I make sure they stay within my channel. And if they're ever at the bottom of my channel, if I have the capital and I want to put more capital towards that, I would definitely buy more. So like I said, it's just a picture perfect tool. A 5-year-old, someone that's not really knowledgeable with the analysis and the charting of it, they can use this, and it's very simple to use, guys. I mainly just did this so that y'all can at least see how to put it on your charts. And I'll do one more example. Let me just pick something here. In phase energy. Let's delete it. We'll do it one more time. Oh no, don't want to do that. We'll do it one more time for the people in the back. In phase energy, if I'm looking at this, it was kind of a sideways market, a little bit of an uptrend, but really right around here is where it kind of broke out. So I have my regression selected. Remember, right here, doesn't matter where I click. Let's go and just put it on the weekly, a little steeper. So I would click this candle. I can click like the left side of it. I'll just click the right side. It's going to put it at the top of the bar right here, and I'm going to extend it. Okay, obviously this is the last week, and the next candle will start, and I'll see where we're at, but extending it to the right, and there we go. So like I said, man, regression channels are a great tool. And if you learned something, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions or want me to go over something that I might can help with, anything to do with ThinkorSwim, please leave a comment below, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.